dyan. So I'm filming again. Just to show you guys kung gaano ka layo. And what to expect when you go trekking in here. Kasi hinamon na si Janice de Año. At hindi na pala de Año yung apelyido ni Janice. Ang aking cream puff baker. Sobrang sarap ng cream puffs niyan. Yan si Abby. Hi Abby. Matikas na kaibigan kong mahilig mag-mountain hiking. Yan. I-challenge na nga din natin yung isang Janice pa. Grabe, sobrang laki ng rock. This is my hand. Lapitan natin. See? And it's that big. Di ba ito yung tipong gumigising sa gabi? I think this is part of the river pa. Halika na! Pero, nag-close na. Halika na! I cleaned this path. I cleaned it. I'm so proud of me. Rome! This is the one that I need to clear. Kasi lagi namin nakakalimutan dalhin yung sickle tsaka yung itak. Meron ding mga places na may stagnant water and we need to clear that. Kasi I'm here! Natural ferns. Nakalublub ka?
Lamig ng...
I need to clean that. Or maybe put azola para hindi siya pamahayan ng mga mosquito. Lakas maka-entadya nitong na to. Parang palabas ka na sa earth. Ganon. Wala ka na sa Encantadia. So, bye for now, Encantadia. Ito na, papasok na tayo sa earth. But this is the view that's really spectacular. Where is it? Wait, I need to go there pa. You know. Very natural. Very serene. I don't know. I'm amazed by that. It flows through the whole of Kita. Oops. Another big stone. Big rock. Oh, dito ba ako dapat lumakad? It's that deep. Pero doon hanggang dibdib yung tubig. Doon na kami. I think lumalalim yung tubig. Dito ako sa rock. I go first. Yan. Dito na tayo sa earth. Humuhuni na ng bonggang-bongga yung mga
out.
What?
Mamaya.
It's okay. I'll video until we get on top.
Ah,
See, this is the natural way that God how to say, enriches the earth by decomposing these leaves. It's just so awesome. A tree dies and then another grows in replacement. May sotang hon. Oh my goodness. Hindi man lang nila tinapon sa tamang lugar. We're almost there. We're almost on top. This is good rabbit food. And these talong could use fertilizer and some love. Ang liliit eh. But see, daming bunga. Na yung pagkain ng rabbit. Dali natin yung kambing natin dito.
hindi ko siya tatakbo.
Well, we'd have to train it. And we're here. Back on top. May internet. Sabi ng asawa ko, umuwi na daw ako. Baka manuno daw ako nito. Wala yatang nuno dito. Baka diwata meron. You know, they sell this for maybe 5 pesos each. And it just comes from the earth. So this is our ride. And look at our view. Hindi ba si Tefiti yan? I could use good breathing technique. I fell in love with this. And I always fall in love every time I see it. And then there are these. Nakakainis sa mga tao. Maglalagay nga ako ng basurahan dito. I could use a good breathing technique. This 12-hectare property here is for sale and it's titled. So if you guys would want paradise like mine, like ours, send us a message. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Let's go, yo! Salamat Yamaha, salamat mi, yo, mio.